Hey you guys, so in today's video I'll be showcasing a unit from YWigs.com. It is a gorgeous curly bob, so if you're interested in checking out this wig or any wig from YWigs.com, I'll be sure to link all the information down below. This unit is super affordable, so if you like this unit or if you're just in the market for a new frontal wig, be sure to check out YWigs.com. So I went ahead and tweezed the parting space, not the parting space, but like, you know, customize the front of this unit, and I let it air dry overnight. I put a few curly hair products in it, and this is how it's looking. And this is how the hairline is looking. All the information to YWigs.com will be down below, as well as everything you will need to know about this wig, the inches, the texture, all that good stuff will be in my description box, and a direct link to this gorgeous wig. Now, I feel like this wig is definitely for the grown and sexy, or someone who's looking for like just the perfect curly bob. At first I was so nervous because I think this is like the shortest curly bob that I've ever tried, and you guys know how I am about short hairstyles and them making me look mature, but I feel like I'm just feeling like some grown and sexualization up in his hair. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving the texture. Everything how this wig performed is just bomb. The application was super easy, and I tried to keep the application hella beginner friendly. And shout out to Natural Joy 86 because I watch a lot of her videos because I feel like she's just like the wig whisperer. She slays wigs so nicely, and she hardly ever fully like glues them all the way down, and I'm trying to get more into that with my frontal wigs because I don't like always gluing my units down. So I definitely suggest the way that I adhered this wig for my beginners out there, or someone who just likes to take their wigs off at night like myself. Now I'm going to turn around and give you guys a 360. Of course, this wig is 100% dry. Here's my left hand side, and as you can see, it's just a smidget longer in the front than the back. Of course, this is the right hand side. I want to see how this unit looks in a middle part, and I might insert a clip of how it looks as a middle part, but as of right now, I'm really loving this side part. It's just giving me life. I did fluff this hair out a lot, and it's not frizzy at all, but yes, you guys, let me know how you feel about this unit down below. I hardly got any shedding, like maybe a strand or two. There's no odor to this hair. Not even when I wet it, it doesn't have an odor at all. So 2 thumbs up for that. So far, I think this is my second wig that I tried from YWigs.com, and I'm not disappointed whatsoever. Their prices are amazing. This unit is no more than $100. Like, where do they do that at for some quality human hair? So I do suggest you guys checking out YWigs.com. You know, your girl OhSo will not steer you wrong. You want some good, affordable, quality hair, go head over there to YWigs.com. Everything that you will need to know, once again, is down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit, and let me know if you're gonna try the way I adhered this unit down, or if you already apply your wigs like that. Let me know. It was just so effortless. I think that's all I got to say. Y'all let me know if y'all feel like this hair is like aging. I know y'all gonna keep it real. Do this hair age me? I don't feel like it ages me, but I do feel like, you know, I look my age, and it's nothing wrong with that. Okay? Okay. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.